Tonight, a Coffee County man behind bars charged with the murder of his uncle.
Police say the man shot his uncle to death inside a home in Jack with a pistol. WDHN's Aaron Dixon has been following this story and joins us now with the latest. Aaron?
Yeah, Michael and Jessica, the suspect being arrested overnight nearly 30 minutes away from the scene in Crenshaw County. And by the time the suspect had been identified, it was the victim's nephew, Jackson Morgan, who is now being held without bail until a hearing is held in his case next week.
An arrest made overnight in the weekend murder of Jack man Jeremy Morgan. Police say they found Morgan shot to death inside a home in the 2000 block of County Road 114 in Jack after receiving a tip that someone had been shot by a pistol. Morgan is pictured here in 2019 following his arrest in a kidnapping case in which he was accused of kidnapping a woman at gunpoint from a Coffee County home. He later entered a guilty plea to a lesser charge of unlawful imprisonment in the case and served some of his prison sentence in community corrections. In his murder, his nephew, Jackson Morgan, is now charged. Police arresting him at another family member's home in Luverne about 30 minutes away from the crime scene overnight. Jackson Morgan is now in the Coffee County Jail without a bond set in his case. Police have not released what led them to arresting Morgan or the reason why he allegedly killed his uncle over the weekend. But they do say the case is still under investigation and more information will come out in court, which includes next week's Anaya's Law hearing, where the state will try to prove that Jackson Morgan is a threat to the community or could leave town if released from jail, while Morgan will try and explain why he should be able to get out of jail. A judge will then decide on whether or not to issue a bond in his case.
Tomorrow, Morgan is scheduled to appear before a judge for the first time, where the judge will read him the charge and make sure that Morgan has been given an attorney.